How to see mutual friend on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the mutual friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Snapchat app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now, go ahead and tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Then scroll below. Under Friends, you will see Add Friends. Tap open that option. So the list of people that you see in this page are mutual friends of your friends, but the downside is that you won't know which friends. For instance, in Snapchat, you can see many people who are mutual friends with your friends, but you won't know specifically which friends they are. And in case in the coming time Snapchat updates us with that feature, we will surely let you know. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.